Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. This is Cheryl with iSTYLEMYSTYLE, and today I thought I would show you my top 5 thrifted home decor items. I love going to the thrift store, Goodwill, um, Salvation Army Restore, those type of stores, and buying home decor. And you can find some really nice home decor items. You just have to look really hard and keep an eye out. So today I am going to show you my top 5 thrifted home decor items, and today's video is part of a collaboration that is being hosted by two wonderful ladies here on YouTube, and that is Carol from My Blessed Nest and Yvonne from GingerChickRehab. So let me show you my top 5 thrifted home decor items. Number 1 is this vase. I picked this up off of Facebook Marketplace. Now you might not think of the Facebook Marketplace as being a thrift store, but actually it kind of is. And I really love the black and white aesthetic of this vase, and that's why I picked it up. I picked up 4 vases from Facebook Marketplace for $30. 4 vases, that's less than $10 a vase. Now you can't beat that. Number 2, I found this vase at the Goodwill and I fell in love with it. It is oh so modern, so sleek. I love the detail of this vase. As you can see, it has bubbles on the inside. It gives it a very modern and elegant look, and I love using it on my tablescape. I featured this vase in my Timeless Elegance video. If you missed that video, I will leave a link in the description box below, but I absolutely love how this vase looks. If you didn't know that it came from the Goodwill, you would think it cost a whole lot more money than it really is. And that is one of the reasons why you always want to shop for home decor at your local thrift store, be it either Goodwill, an actual thrift store, Salvation Army Restore. You just have to keep an eye out and you can find some really beautiful things. Number 3, some type of plant. You can find some fabulous fake plants at Goodwill. And let me tell you, they cost a whole lot more than they would if you bought them at your local retail store like Home Goods or TJ Maxx. I found this really awesome tree at Goodwill for $9.99. I also found this really nice plant. If you didn't know, you would think it was real. One of the plants is real. The other one isn't. Can you guess which one is real and which one's not? Leave me a comment down below. Number 4. I love this lucite silverware. I picked up this lucite silverware off of eBay. Again, you might not think of it as thrifting, but it actually is. A thrift store does not have to be a brick and mortar store. It can actually be an online store. And I fell in love with these when I saw Tammy Roberts feature them in a tablescape on her channel, and I had to go out and find my own. So I was so happy when I found these on eBay. If you missed where I featured these in my Paris and springtime video, I will also leave a link to that one as well down below. I picked up 60 pieces of this lucite silverware for $50. Now that's a steal. You can't buy that at the Dollar Tree. Number 5. I am always interested in looking at very unique flower vases, and I found this flower vase at the Goodwill along with its smaller companion. Now, they were not the colors that I wanted or needed in my home, but of course, you know, that did not stop me. There is nothing that a little paint cannot cure, and that is what I did to these 2 vases. The larger white one was like a brassy color, a brassy brown, very ugly to me. Sorry if that's someone likes that color, but it wasn't a color that I particularly liked. So I painted it white, and I think it absolutely made the details pop. And the little gray one, it was like, I don't know, it's kind of browny. So I painted it gray, and I think they both came out perfect. So if you find something at Goodwill and it's not in the color that you want, pick it up anyway and paint it. I picked up these two vases for less than $3. A little bonus feature. I know we were only supposed to show 5 of our favorite thrift store finds that we use every day. However, this last item is something that I love, and it was totally unexpected. Not what I went to the Goodwill to pick up to complete my outdoor deck makeover. I was looking for lamps. I did not think I would find anything that I liked. I had actually picked up another set of lamps. They were tall and they were brown leather, and I was going to take them home to paint them. And as I turned around, what did I see but these beautiful green babies that actually matched my deck decor. Picked up these lamps at the Goodwill for $3.99 a piece. Yes, $3.99. They were a great buy, and I am so happy that I turned around and saw them because I think they absolutely complete my outdoor deck makeover. So I set down the brown ones, I picked these up, I brought them home, I cleaned them up, I cut off the cords, and I made them into my own personal deck lamps. I used some lights that I picked up from the Dollar Tree. It's the solar lights that you find every summer. Missed my outdoor deck makeover video. I will leave a link for it down in the description box below. I want to thank Carol and Yvonne for hosting this wonderful collaboration. It was so much fun, ladies. I will leave a link for their channels down below, as well as a link of the playlist of all the participants. So I hope you guys have enjoyed my top 5 thrifted home decor finds. And if so, please give the video a thumbs up, like, comment, and subscribe. And I hope you consider becoming a part of the iSTYLEMYSTYLE family. So until next time, I hope you guys have an awesome day. And remember, always strive to be better tomorrow than you were today. And I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye, guys.